Assalamu alaikum. Hello guys. Today is Saturday. So a few minutes ago I went outside. I went to Nesto. That's why we bought some food from there. And I guess my mom is preparing the food. Maybe it's served till now. Let's go look at it. See guys, we bought some grilled chicken. Two-piece we bought. We bought two-piece, one for us and one for my parents. And I also bought a burger for myself. If you know, I love to eat burgers. That's why I bought it for myself. And yeah, one more thing. See this? Yep, my fishes. I didn't show them to you guys for many days. Yeah, and new fish news. 11 fish died and 11 fishes are alive. You may be thinking why I'm happy because my 11 fishes died. Because I'm happy my 11 fishes are still alive. That's a really good news for me because I was so sad when they died. But I'm pretty happy that these fishes are alive. As you can see. They all. And yeah, my dinner. So I'll get going. I'll start eating now. So hello guys, I am going to eat my burger first. So as you can see, I'm gonna try my first bite. Bismillah. I love burgers. Now I'll take my rest of the dinner. So maybe that's it. So bye bye, ma salama.
Assalamu alaikum. Yeah. So I'm doing my dinner. This is green chutney. My mom made it. So I'm eating the chicken. What I buy. What we buy. This is so yummy.